Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, students. We are going to learn some new words today. So, I am going to start. First word is this word is called in Urdu darmiyan. It's mean between. Next word we are going to write is saf. It's mean clean. Next word is mashhoor. It's mean famous or popular. You can also say the popular and famous. Next word is istemal. This word is used in the meaning of use. Next word is umda. The meaning of this word is fine. Next word is ala. Ala is called in English super. This word is uh, this word is used in the meaning of super. Next word is ganda. This word is used in the meaning of dirty. Next word is khilaf. This word is used for the meaning of against. Next word is ghalaf. This word is used for the meaning of cover. Everything is covered with something. As you know that we use cover for our mobile, Quran Pak, and also Kaaba. We change ghalaf of Kaaba every year. Next word is lafafa. Lafafa is used for envelope. Next word is cheese. This word is used for the meaning of things. Next word is ahem. This word is used in the meaning of important. Next we are going to write chacha. This word is used in the meaning of uncle. Next is chachi. This word is the feminine of uncle. Aunt. This word is used in the meaning of aunt. Next word is bhatija. Bhatija or bhanja. These both words are used for the meaning of nephew. Next is bhatiji. Or bhanji. These both words are used for the feminine of uh, nephew. These mean we are using these words in the meaning of niece, which is the feminine of nephew. So students, we have finished our lesson, which will be very useful for you. Inshallah, we will meet in the next lesson. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.